UCD is one of the largest, most established centres of learning in Ireland. UCD Professional Academy combines academic heritage with modern ambition to provide industry-leading professional courses. Our Professional Academy diplomas are designed to help you build career momentum. Our short courses teach practical, applied skills to support you to achieve your career and business goals. Are you ready to break into tech and build a career you love? The UCD Professional Academy Diploma in Full-Stack Software Development gives you everything you need to create a fully functional website or web applications from scratch. You'll learn how to design responsive web pages, style them with CSS and bring them to life with JavaScript. But that's just the beginning. On the back end, you'll master Python, allowing you to store and manage business data like stocks, prices and sales. With each module, you'll build real projects, websites, databases and Python programs, gaining hands-on experience that proves your skills. By the end of the course, you'll bring everything together to create your fully functioning web application, just like a real web developer. No prior coding experience needed. This course is fully designed to take you from beginner to job ready. You'll also build your own portfolio as you progress through the course. Whether you want to become a web developer, software engineer or freelance coder, this course provides a strong foundation to land an in-demand job in a high-paying industry. With hands-on projects and real-world experiences, you'll be job-ready and confident in your ability to build and deploy full-stack applications. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey today.